before when the people was telling me when you come here you will get everything like they make my mind all here, but when I come here I see it's not that true people I was saying.
Okay, it's not just what they were telling you before.
No.
So what is not the difference?
I
Well,
think
what changed?
we have some brother here there who they are sleeping outside.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Changing
so
the narratives with Mr. B.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank
You
you.
look great.
Thank you.
Nice to
And
meet you.
me so
All
nice to
right.
meet
So
you.
before I come back to you, I'm just going to ask you one or two questions.
Okay.
And I believe through this interview, a lot of people are going to learn, okay? We are
Okay.
doing this just to also educate our brothers and sisters all over the world,
Okay.
sharing from our own personal life experience, right?
Okay.
Okay, before I come back to you to give you just a second for you to introduce yourself to them,
Okay.
good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, all my great viewers, depending on the place you are watching us from. We are back again with another episode of this program, Changing the Narratives, saying it the way it is in the city of Rome. We are here again with one of our big brother, all the way from
Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso. Yes,
Hello
Burkina
everyone.
Faso. Please, today, although he speaks a little bit of English, yes, and
Exactly.
we are going to like try to as much as possible to also miss it. Maybe he might miss it with Italian or
Yeah,
French, but
exactly.
wherever, however it may be the case, we are going to do a little bit of translation where he uses English, Italian or French so that you can be able to get the totality of this very interview.
Okay.
Okay, but before then, I will urge you to please stay tight to the end of this video. As we do say, we do reserve the best for the end. Just let us talk to him as we give him just a second for him to introduce himself. Please introduce yourself to them.
Hello everyone. My name is Farouk. I'm from Burkina Faso.
Thank you. So, like,
Welcome.
how long have you been here?
I'm be here 7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Like, just in this room.
First I was in Sicilia.
Okay.
Sicilia, that is another area from Italy.
Okay.
So, but from Rome here, I'm here. I'll be here for 1 year.
1 year.
Yes,
Okay, that is, you spent 6 years in Sicily. Sicily.
yes. Before I
All
was
right.
in Sicilia.
Okay, so like when you were in Burkina Faso, what were you doing?
In Burkina Faso, I was there, but I was helping my uncle.
Okay.
We was doing some work together from my village, and then after, I know every African people know my country. There is some fighting now, what like with terrorism people.
Yeah.
So one day, my village they come attack my village, and every people who remember, everyone try to run away
Mm-hmm.
to find some place, and I try to go out from my country. So first I was in Algeria,
Mm.
and then but I was want to go back to my country before. I see some people tell me uh, there is some solution to come to Europe, but
Okay.
when I listen them, and after I try to work hard to make some money to try to cross to come in Italy here, but when I work very hard and I make some money to come in Italy here, but it's like before when the people was telling me when you come here you will get everything like they make my mind all here, but when I come here I see it's not that true people I was saying.
Okay, it's not just what they were telling you before. So
No.
what is not the difference?
I
Well,
think
what changed?
here is some more difficult. Like in issue, if was your country, you cannot do it that difficult from here. You
Okay.
know, the first when you come here, you have to check some paper to get paper before you are going to try to find work.
Okay.
And after the paper, even before the paper, you have to check some house. like when sorry, can I speak French?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ok. Avant d'arriver ici, c'est un peu compliqué parce que lorsque vous arrivez ici, premièrement, vous devrez chercher un point de logement et après, vous devrez aller vous présenter à la préfecture pour le permis de séjour d'Italie. Mais malgré avec tout ça, c'est très très compliqué à faire toutes ces procédures et je pense je ne pourrais pas encourager quelqu'un pour dire que il faut venir ici, tout est facile à voir. Non, nothing is easy to get here. All is hard, like an African, an African. All is hard, tout est difficile à voir. Donc, je pense à mes frères et sœurs, tous ceux qui pensent que lorsque tu arrives en Europe ici, c'est comme tu as réussi tout dans la vie. Non. En Afrique, nous avons encore de l'espoir, beaucoup d'espoir et nous pouvons combattre pour tout recevoir de là. Et ça, je pense que malgré que moi aussi j'ai pris cette Méditerranée pour arriver ici, je pense que un peu, je peux dire, je regrette un peu, mais pas trop. Mais c'est pas du tout facile. Mais j'ai une black personne pour lui dire des machins de venir, c'est que tout est facile à voir, tout est compliqué, c'est la même chose comme Europe, Afrique. Donc, je pense à vous d'analyser des choses, à pouvoir comprendre qu'est-ce que vous avez besoin dans votre vie, your life. You also know what are you need from your life. No one who can tell you what you have to do from your life. So, je ne vais pas mentir à quelqu'un de dire lorsque tu arrives ici, tu peux en avoir tout. Non. Ici, les choses aussi, c'est compliqué pareil. Même ici, devant à la gare de Rome Terminus, nous avons des frères même qui dorment partout dehors. That's true. We have some brother here there who they are sleeping outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Even the cold, the sun, they are
voilà,
there.
même dans les fraîcheurs, autant de même quand il pleut, ils sont toujours dehors. Il n'y a pas de solution. Souvent, c'est pas facile à aller lorsque tu les vois et ça vraiment ça fait pitié. Bon, selon moi, je pense, si c'est en Afrique, ces personnes ne sera pas dehors comme ça, en train de souffrir dehors. Et vraiment, ça fait pitié. Mais je pense chacun a sa décision, comment faire, qu'est-ce qu'il a besoin dans sa vie. Donc, n'écoute pas des gens qui vous disent, lorsque vous arrivez en Europe ici, tout est facile à avoir. Ce n'est pas vrai. Tout est compliqué à avoir. Tout est compliqué. Donc, je pense c'est à vous, les frères et sœurs, sister and brother, à prendre votre décision. Mais ne laisse pas que quelqu'un vous blague. Et j'aimerais vous dire quelque chose. Oubliez les photos. Lorsque notre frère il rentre ici, il prend les photos tout pour vous montrer qu'il va bien ici. Non, ça, ce n'est pas their life reality. After that, this life, their life reality is after that, not the picture when you see, that is was with me here. Look now, he is in Europe. Look his picture. Oh my God, it's very nice. I think now everything is going to good for that. My friend, no, don't look in that. They have another life.
Different from the one of the picture.
Exactly. Donc, frère et sœur, je pense, selon moi, c'est le seul conseil moi que j'ai pour vous donner. Donc, je vous remercie beaucoup.
Okay, now let me quickly ask you this question. Like your parents, where are they now?
My parents, someone of them in Ghana, someone of them in Africa.
Your mom?
My mom is in Ghana and my
Your
father Africa.
Why are they the different places?
Because everyone tried to solve his life because my country is not good. But now I think, inshallah, after that, they are going back to my country because now we have some good president who know, like in our country, people how they are suffering.
Okay.
So I thank God for that because my president Ibrahim, Captain Ibrahim Traore,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
a very very good president. I know it's not like something is I can speak people. All African people don't know now there is some
Yeah,
president.
we know Ibrahim Traore is
Yes,
really doing great job here
yes.
in Burkina
So
Faso.
I'm thank God. I think after that, all my parents they will
Come back.
come back their country and see their beautiful country. So I'm so happy for that.
Okay, like you now, will you like if everywhere is settled in your
Mm.
country now, say there is no war, will you still go back to your country or you will remain in Europe? You would like to go back to your country or you will remain?
Yes, I love my country so much. I love my Africa so much
Mm,
because from 7 years I see many things different so far here. So I think is if it was I was in my country that suffer even I know the suffering is everywhere, but
mm,
my from my own country I cannot do that suffer.
mm.
So I think so. We're trying to go. I don't know how to say en avant, pas en arrière. So,
Mm.
bon, je pense que à plus bientôt, les choses sera bien mieux et nous tous on souhaite à trouver un bon avenir dans notre pays et faire de meilleures choses.
All right. Okay, now lastly, the question I want to ask you now, what is the most difficult thing that you have experienced here in Italy? That is most difficult thing that gives you sad, make you very sad in this place.
Oh,
Do you have anyone?
my brother, sorry, and I want to ask anyone sorry to be sorry with me because I cannot explain that. If I want to explain that, maybe I can cry. But so it's not very nice
Okay,
to
so
this interview.
use French. People want to learn from you.
Oui, je pense que si je vais tout expliquer les difficultés que j'ai passées avant d'arriver ici, même en Italie, ici jusqu'à présentement, là où je suis, je pense que ça me mettrait mal en l'aise. Donc, je pense, je vous demande beaucoup pardon et peut-être dans les prochaines interviews, nous allons, je vais beaucoup considérer some energy to explain
No,
that.
sorry, you calm down. You don't cry.
Yes,
Don't be
no,
emotional.
no,
You don't want to say that, right?
no, no.
Okay, so
Next time I'll
get some energy to do that.
exactly.
Okay,
So,
there's no problem.
yeah.
It's really a nice time, and I wish you the best. And I pray that you get a better life, and
Thank
also
you.
every of your dreams and aspiration come
Thank you
true.
so much.
You understand me? And I hope to see you in a better position tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Maybe if you are going back to Burkina Faso, you go back bigger and better.